I think the connections that I've made and the friends that I've made here has been my favorite part about OCU, because I've been able to create the professional connections with these future professionals, which I think is really interesting and fun. And these are, I mean, they're my best friends, and so getting to work professionally beside them is honestly my favorite part about being at OCU. So I started out as a flyman for Hairspray, and then that kind of transitioned into Master Carp for the fall opera. And from there I had a stage 2 technical direction and then an assistant technical direction for one of the music shows. Design and production classes kind of give you, they scrape the surface your freshman year and kind of give you the base knowledge of hand drafting, computer drafting, Photoshop, stuff like that, that you need to kind of complete your show assignments and your theater class work throughout the next 4 years. And so those kind of progressed. Each year it kind of gets more specialized and more into it. And eventually you'll end up taking, as a technical director, you'll take CAD and you'll take Tech Prod and you'll take Automation 1, Automation 2, and a specialty class. I think being a technical director and being a part of the design and production program has made me very versatile. It's given me the skills to go off and do the different things that I potentially could want to do or have interest in. And so I don't really feel like I'm restraint to being just a technical director. I think that one day I could potentially be a production manager or move up the ladder in a theater company.